The RANDBETWEEN function in Excel will generate a random number between two specified numbers. Suppose I want to randomly select a number in between 1 and 75. Here's how I will use Excel for this purpose. Equal, type in RANDBETWEEN. RANDBETWEEN function has two arguments. First one is bottom. Bottom is the smallest number to be generated. In this case, I want a number between 1 and 75. So 1 is the bottom value. We'll type in 1, comma. Second argument top, the largest value in the number range. 1 to 75 is the number range here. So 75 is the top value. 75, close parentheses. When I press the enter key, formula returned a number between 1 and 75. Note that RANDBETWEEN function is a volatile function. Means whenever I make a change in this worksheet, the formula result will update. Let me enter text here. See the formula result updated. And when I delete this data, again the result updated. Now let's copy this formula into the cells below. And we have a small list of random numbers between 1 and 75. F9 is the keyboard shortcut to recalculate an Excel worksheet. So when I press the function key F9, we will have a new list of numbers. We can also use negative numbers in RANDBETWEEN function. So to generate a random number between minus 250 and 500, equal RANDBETWEEN minus 250, comma 500, enter. We'll copy this formula into the cells below. And we have a list of random numbers from minus 250 to 500. As Excel treats dates as numbers, RANDBETWEEN formula can be used to generate random dates. To generate a random date between 5th of December 1998 and 31st of March 2024, equal RANDBETWEEN, double quotes, 5th of December 1998, comma, double quotes, 31st of March 2024, double quotes, enter. Formula returned a number. Now to apply date format to this number, show date. A date between 5th of December 1998 and 31st of March 2024. We'll copy this formula into the cells below. And we have a small list of random dates in between the specified dates. Now about a practical use of RANDBETWEEN function. In this table here, we have a small list of students. Now to randomly choose a candidate from this list, in the formula bar, equal, choose function, open parentheses, RANDBETWEEN function. We have 6 candidates here. So bottom value will be 1, comma, and top value will be 6. Close parentheses, comma. Now we have to individually select each of these cells. First one, comma, second one, comma, third, comma, fourth, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, close parentheses, enter. And we have a random name from this list. And when I press the function key F9, the candidate name changed. Again, if you want to randomly assign these students to two different groups A and B, in the formula bar, equal, choose function, open parentheses, RANDBETWEEN function, 1, 2, close parentheses, comma, double quotes A, double quotes, comma, double quotes B, double quotes, close parentheses, enter.